Unpacking the annual wage review and the minimum wage increase. Minimum wages have increased. It's something you might have read in the news, seen on social media, or heard from a friend. But how does it come about? And what does it mean for each of us? Let's debunk some common misconceptions and questions. Every year, the Fair Work Commission, the National Workplace Tribunal, reviews the national minimum wage and minimum award wages. Now, these guys operate independently from government and from us, the Fair Work Ombudsman. It's a lot of similar sounding names, we know. This review, known as the Annual Wage Review, decides whether minimum wages will change and by how much. This year, a 3.5% increase was announced. That means that the national minimum wage becomes $948 per week, or $24.95 per hour. Minimum wages in all awards will increase by 3.5%. Award wages differ based on industry and jobs, so the actual pay rates after the increase will depend on what applies. So you might be wondering if the increase applies to your unique situation. The increase changes the minimum wages before super tax that apply to employees in Australia that are covered by Fair Work Act laws. Most employees are. They're the legal minimum an employee can be paid for their job, but some might already be paid more. For employees whose current pay is more than the new minimum wage that applies, their employers aren't obligated to increase pay by the same percentage increase. They just need to make sure their pay is at least the same as the new minimum wage that applies. So really, the percentage increase doesn't get applied directly to an employee's pay. It's how much minimum wages will go up. That means if an employee is on more than the minimum wage for their job, then their pay might not go up at all, or it might go up by a smaller amount. When is all this going to happen, you ask? The increase applies to the first full pay period on or after the 1st of July 2025. But that doesn't mean the increase is received on the day of the 1st of July. Yeah, it's probably easier to explain with an example. When an employee gets paid, their payslip should state the date range the pay covers. For example, it might say the pay period is 23rd of June to 6th of July. Now, because this pay period started before the 1st of July and still includes part of June, the increase doesn't get applied yet. That means the increase will apply to the next pay. Now that we've unpacked all of that, head to our website to check your new minimum wage using our pay calculator, which has done the math for you.